What's happening with the YouTube? It's been a minute. So yeah, we're about to head up to Torches to see I guess what's shaking up there. So yeah, so let me go ahead and get this thing started and we can be on our way. Yeah, she started right on up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Let me yeah. So I guess let me go ahead and get myself situated and we can get on up out of here, boy. Just give me a minute. Trying to see where I can sit y'all down there real quick. Give me a second. There y'all go. You know what I'm saying? Safety first. Gotta have that belt on. Man, this is probably about the first ride I had in probably about a week now. No, 2 weeks. My daughter had a big soccer tournament, which they lost, but I think they came in second or third. We're supposed to know the finals today because it got rained out yesterday. So I'm not 100% sure where they stand at, but I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Yeah, man. So it's been really a minute since I've been out. Cause like I said, she had soccer, so I really haven't had time to get out and drive. And like depending on the weather been crazy here, but you know it is what it is at this point. We getting closer and closer to riding weather constantly out here in the great state of Texas. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on once I pull up at Torches. We're gonna get out of here in a minute because I'm stopped at the light right now. So yeah, once we get up here at Torches, then we'll turn you back on and see what's what. Yeah. So yeah, we are just now about to pull up at Torches. Seen quite a few cars up here. So we're gonna ride through, then let y'all see what I see. We got quite a few. See where I could pull up at and pause. Yeah, they got pretty nice crew out here today. What I wasn't finna do is roll through that water park, so yeah, nah, we ain't doing that. I go back through and park. So yeah, I wasn't finna ride through that park. That's one thing I wasn't finna do. Here come. Let's see, I think that should go. There we go. Go on the back side. First line of business, it's like I always miss this one when it comes to getting it in the right light. But this one got the ghost flames on it. It's an SS. When I say super clean, this mug clean. Done right, all black. American racing rims on there. It's clean. I want to be up here till when they start it up, but I know I'm probably gonna be gone. Too clean. Look at that Stingray with the flip flop. Like the Hertz. Pretty cool. Camaro. That might that clean. And it's a manual. Stingray. I'm on tough. Some Viper. Woo. Tough. Got the V6 in here. It's a Buick. Man, my grandma had a Cadillac kind of like this. It's good old Buick LeSabre. That mother crazy. This Bel Air clean. Big brakes in the front. Yeah, he got big brakes all the way around. Them seats is crazy. Man, look at that interior. Ooh, and a supercharged. Nice. Nice Bel Air.
Thank you.
That's cool. How y'all doing? It's a nice car. Man. Yeah, it's a little camera. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Man. Pretty nice. This car seems like it's always here. I'm on that clean too.
Solid roller, LS.
Demon.
I will say me and Brent got here before your dad.
trade you. Man. Got the old TV in there. Nice. Man, what you know about that, boy?
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can't send they have to hold me back, and then after I send you can just do whatever. But okay. This is sick. Yeah, I got you.
What's going on, man? How you doing? Man, it's crazy. Look at the body kit on this. This is wow. Dark side. Look at that. Of course, it's clean. So road runner right here.
What's crazy about that? What's they go
That color on that is nice. Yeah, let me get back to showing this. This mother is so clean. And there go the Hertz. That's the Hertz.
Ready to trade?
Huh?
Save it for the old.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Man. This one here is so nice. Yeah, that Porsche is cold. Yeah, man, I think I'm about to head out. I think that was all I can get for right now. And I'm gonna just pull it up. Slide up out of here. This was really light. Really. One too much see up here. So yeah, so we just about to go back head to the crib. I got a little bit of footage, not too much. Yeah, I got what I can get. I was about to head back. So at least I was able to get something.